In this video, we'll learn how to measure a parcel using ZIMAS' measuring tools. These tools allow you to calculate linear distance and the area of a parcel. First, click on this icon. It will give you a series of measurement options, including point, line, freehand line, polygon, and freehand polygon. As an example, I will use both the line tool and the polygon tool. To use the line tool, click here. Then, click on your starting point, followed by your end point. Double-click to end the drawing. Notice that this box will display the specified length in feet and miles. To clear any measurements you've made, click this button on the far right. Now, to use the Polygon tool, click here. Then, click to begin drawing. Click each point you'd like to include in your measurement. Double-click to end the drawing. Notice that the box will display square feet, square miles, acres, and perimeter. Feel free to explore using the other measuring tools that we didn't demonstrate in this video. Thank you for watching.